Hi everyone and welcome in this new video tutorial. Today we are going to see how to create those amazing sections with Elementor in a few minutes. We will see also how to create the mobile version of it. So first of all, you need to be sure that you have Elementor installed, and of course I'm always using the Hello theme that you can find in the video description. It's a theme made by Elementor, so it's very easy to use. So let's go on the page and create a new page. I will call it model sections. Edit with Elementor. Great. Now in the bottom left we are going to settings and select the page layout on Elementor full width. In this case we will keep the header and also the footer if you have one, of course. I'm going to click the plus button and then select this section here. As you can see, there is two columns, so just select that. I'm going to select to be sure the section here by clicking on it, and then on content width we're going to select full width. Column gap, normally I click on no gap, and the height, min height, and just increase this as you want, like that. And then I'm going to change the column position on stretch. So now we have our two columns here, and we need to add an image right now on the left side. So I'm going to click on this little plus here button. I'm going to select image, drag and drop it right here, and select the images you want to upload. So I'm going to click choose image. I have already my 3 images here, and I will select this one. Those are square images. I really suggest to cut them before uploading them. So we have our squared image, for example, here, and now we're going to add our text on the right side. So click on the plus button here. Let's click on heading. I will duplicate this a few times, like duplicate, and then I will add some text. So I'm going, let me check, I'm back here in this menu here. Let's add some text. Then we are going to add also some lines. So let me check, where is it? Divider here. Then we are going to add another title. I think I will going to copy this and paste it right here. Great, so we have our text in place, and we're going to change them right away. So browse the best, let's call it like that, and I'm going to style, change the text color to black, typography. The weight will be 400 or even less. Let's try 300. REM is the size, so I'm going to change this in 1, and then I'm going to transform it in uppercase like that, and the line spacing, the letter spacing, I'm sorry, I'm going to change that too, so something like that, maybe 3.5. After that, I'm going to add modify this text here. So by clicking on it or editing here, models portfolio, great, style black, typography. We will change the typography. I will try Literata. Looks cool. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, so REM, the size will be changed like that. The weight, let's try 500. I'm okay with that. And the text, we can leave it like that, or we can also add Literata to this text. So click on the text style, the text color, I will keep it gray. Typography, we'll choose Literata again. Perfect. So maybe I'm going to increase a little bit also the text to 1, and yeah, looks pretty good. I'm going also to change this one, so I'm going to select it and choose we have the best style is some random text I just added, so I hope that you can come out with something better. So I make it black here. Typography, I make it REM, and I will change this, like, let me check. I think that 1.5 is okay. I will also make it uppercase, and I will change the family to Literata too. Great, I like it, and maybe we can make it even smaller, like 1.4, and wait, let's try 700. And yeah, let's try it like that. So now I'm going to select the column, so I'm going to click this icon here to edit the column, and advanced and percentage, and just, you know, add some padding here. Cool. Let me try to make more. Great. So I made 24 of padding in percentage, and now I'm going to click on, I'm going to layout, I'm sorry, and the vertical alignment, I'm going to make it middle, okay? And now I'm going to center all the text, so I'm going to click on the first one, content, alignment, center, so same thing, content, alignment, center, select this, content, in this case is on style, alignment, center. This one need to be also on content and alignment, center. So I'm going to edit this line here, so I'm clicking on it. I'm going to reduce the width, but first of all, just you know, click on the alignment here, center it, and just change this, okay? 36 for me, and style, I'm going to change the weight. Cool, let me check the final result. This happens, like there is some space on the left, and probably there will be also some space on the right. So what we need to do is to get back here, click on the image, so click on this little icon here, and then go on style, and the width need to be 100% so that the image will adapt, okay? Once you added it 100% and you get like that, as you can see, now everything looks fine. This is a completely square image, and yeah, looks better. So now we can duplicate it and change it, but first I want to make it mobile so that I don't need to do this again. So click on the responsive button here, check the mobile version. As you can see, there is something wrong here. I'm going to click on this little column here and advance, and I will you know, add 0 padding here so that I can see everything how it works. Great, now I will add some percentage here, and click on the little arrow and increase the padding a little bit so that I can see what's going on. Perfect. I'm going to reduce this, so I'm clicking on that, style, and typography, REM, and I change the size. Like that. For the text, I will keep it like this, and for this one we can also increase a little bit the line height. So style, typography, and line height. It looks better. Great. And for the mobile version, I think that this looks great. So I'm going back on the desktop version just by clicking on the little icon here, and now I'm going to duplicate that. So click on right click, duplicate. I will click on this little icon on the left, and I will drag this to the right. Great. So I'm doing the same thing, so click here, duplicate it, and you know, drag, oops, and drop. So now we have our structure here, and we are going to change a little bit of colors and images. So click on this column here, style, and click on the classic, click on the color, black. So I'm going to keep it red for the moment so that I can see the text I'm working on. So click on this, style, white, click on this, style, white. We can keep this gray. I'm going to click this and style, white, and the same thing. Oh no, sorry, this will keep gray, so I'm going to do the line also style white. So now I can get back to my column and change the color to black. Cool, right? So now we have to change the image. So I'm going to click on this image here, select this, click on the girl, so this one in my case. I remember that everything is squared, so I'm going to click here and click on here and click on this woman here. Great. So now we have our structure. Now the only thing you need to do is to change the text in it. So I'm not doing that in the tutorial. I will try to leave you the link in the description to download this template so you can study it or use it. Another thing is, let's go back on the mobile version and check how it behaves. So now the problem we are having is that the image here, it's not behaving as we want. So we want this picture on the top. So I'm going to click this section here, going on advanced, responsive, and reverse the column for the mobile version. Clicking on this, as you can see now, the image is in the right position, and I'm going to do the same thing here, but no need, because the image is already here in the right position. So this is the mobile version, it's working fine. I'm going to publish it and check it right away. So click on here, click on view page, and right click, inspection. In my case, I will also update this, and yeah, looks working really fine. Great. So we made our design in a few minutes, even mobile responsive. So yeah, I hope that the tutorial was useful, guys. If you need a new tutorial, please comment below. Let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe if the tutorial was useful, and yeah, thumbs up if you liked. Have fun. See you in the next video tutorial, and bye.